updates now coming in, and take a look at the visuals on your screens as well. Explosions have now been heard in Pathankot. Remember, Pakistani drones have been intercepted in multiple locations, including Pathankot, and in Pathankot, explosions have been heard, with the Pakistani provocation continuing for the third night in a row. And explosions have been heard at around 5 a.m. amid the blackout that was in place in Pathankot. So blasts have echoed, and my colleague Pavit is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pavit, what's the situation there?
You're right, exactly as rightly said by you, that there is continuously the Pakistani forces are attacking the Pathankot basically. From last night we're seeing that there were around 15-20 drones that were spotted on Pathankot, which were later on neutralized by the Indian Armed Forces, by the air defense system. But since morning, once again Pathankot is under attack. Once again the Pakistani forces are firing down their drones, firing down their missiles on the Pathankot, but they are getting neutralized by the Indian Air Force system. But right now the air raid sirens are on in Pathankot once again. There was the last activities that was seen in Pathankot was around 11 p.m. yesterday. After that, since morning, once again the Pakistani forces have started attacking Pathankot. This is not the only Pathankot. Even in Amritsar, the explosions have been heard. Air raid sirens have been placed, have been sounded in Amritsar as well. If I talk particularly about various locations in Punjab, last night various locations were targeted. Faridkot was targeted, Pathankot was targeted, Jalandhar was targeted. So multiple locations were again and again targeted by the Pakistan forces. But the best part is that all the drones, all the missiles were neutralized. There was just one mishappening that took place, that was in Faridkot, where a drone landed on a house, injuring several people who are right now receiving treatment in the hospital. So again and again the administration is making appeal to the people that they should follow the guidelines which are being issued. They should stay indoor, they should avoid going out, they should follow if blackout is being called. So people should follow that, because wherever these drones have attacked, these missiles have attacked, they have always followed the light. So people are being asked again and again to follow the blackout, because that is only going to save them. That is not only going to save them, but that is also going to help the Indian air defense system to get activated properly and to work accordingly.
Okay, all right. You mentioned that along the northern and western border there have been multiple locations where Pakistan has attempted to hit India. And as we've been saying time and again, Pavit, India is very clear that our fight is with terrorism, with terror. And the provocation that has come in from the Pakistani side is wanting to hit the civilian infrastructure in the country. You also mentioned in Jalandhar as well as multiple locations as well. Several drones have also been intercepted and they've been shot to the ground. What are the details of what has happened in these areas? For the residents as well, like you mentioned, the advisory continues to not panic and to stay alert.